Dear students, welcome to Social Science YouTube channel. Dear students, today I am uploading video number 22. In this video number 22, we are discussing MCQ questions of Era of Gandhi and National Movement. Chapter number 8, History. So this is one of the important and lengthiest chapter of the history part. Let us discuss the question. Question number 1. Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place while protest against A. Rowlatt Act, B. Simon Commission, C. Cripps Mission, D. Salt Tax. Yes, children, the correct answer is A. Rowlatt Act. So British passed Rowlatt Act to curb Khilafat movement. So as a part of that, this Rowlatt Act prohibited gathering of publics, but here in Jallianwala Bagh, people gathered against this law. Therefore, the incident took place. The movement led by Ali brothers was A. Non-cooperation movement, B. Quit India movement, C. Khilafat movement, D. Civil disobedience movement. Yes, children, the correct answer is C. Khilafat movement. So non-cooperation movement, Quit India movement, civil disobedience movement led by Gandhiji, but Quit India movement later led by Jayaprakash Narayan, a socialist. Swaraj Party was established in the year A. 1924 CE, B. 1923 CE, C. 1929 CE, D. 1906 CE. Just children, the correct answer is B. 1923 CE. Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru, who were not happy with the decision of Gandhiji stopping non-cooperation movement, started their own party called Swaraj Party. Indian boycotted Simon Commission as it A. refused to give independence to India, B. consists only the Englishmen as member, did not give proper report on Jallianwala Bagh massacre, D. recommended the Gandhiji's arrest. Yes, children, the correct answer is it consists only Englishmen as its member. So therefore, Indians thought they may give report in favor of British. So they protested against Simon Commission. The president of Indian National Congress session in 1929 was A. Motilal Nehru, B. Chittaranjan Das, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Yes, children, the correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. He gave call for Purna Swaraj or complete independence in this session. The British had sent Stafford Cripps mission to India, pacify Indians for war against Germany, form Constituent Assembly for India, oppose Gandhiji's Quit India movement, inquire about Jallianwala Bagh incident. Yes, children, answer is pacify Indians for war against Germany. When Indians refused to take part in the Second World War, British, to convince the Indians to take part in the Second World War to fight against the Germany, they sent Cripps mission to India with the proposal of dominion status, but Indian boycotted and refused this Cripps mission and started Quit India movement. Muslim League was established in A. 1924, B. 1923, C. 1929, D. 1906. Yes, children, the correct answer is D. 1906. In 1906, Muslim League was established. Later, the same Muslim League only fought for the separate state for Muslims called Pakistan. Mahad, Tank and Kalaram temple movement were organized by A. Jayaprakash Narayan, B. Mahatma Gandhiji, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Yes, children, the correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So both are in Maharashtra. Untouchables were not allowed to use Mahad tank and were not allowed to enter the Kalaram temple. So therefore, Ambedkar started this movement to request the upper class people allow the untouchables to use tank and enter the temple. Gandhiji held salt satyagraha in A 1929, B A 1921, B 1929, C 1930, it's D 1931. Yes, children, the correct answer is C 1930. So Gandhiji started civil disobedience movement. As a part of that civil disobedience movement, he organized Salt Satyagraha at Dandi, in coastal town of Gujarat. Mahad and Kalara movement were formed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B. Mahatma Gandhiji, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Annie Besant. Yes, children. The correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. This question is repeated. The leadership of Indian National Army, Jhansi Regiment was held by Lakshmi Sehgal A, B. Kasturiba Bai, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. Madam Kama. Yes, children. A. Lakshmi Sehgal. She was also popularly called as a Dr. Captain Lakshmi Sehgal. She led this movement. A separate nations for Muslims was put forward by A. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, B. Maulana Azad, C. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, D. Shaukat Ali. Yes, children, the correct answer is A. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was following initially the Gandhiji's instructions and directions. Later, due to difference of opinion with the Congress members, he joined Muslim League and he demanded separate nations for Muslims called Pakistan. Quit India movement took place in A. 1942, B. 1943, C. 1945, it's D. 1946. Yes, children, the correct answer is A. 1942. So I already told you that rejecting the proposals of Cripps mission, Quit India movement was organized by Gandhiji. The president of Haripur session of Indian National Congress was A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, it's D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes, children, the correct answer is D. Subhash Chandra Bose. He presided over Haripur Congress session, later even Tripura Congress session. The Iron Man of India is A. Bhagat Singh, B. Chandrasekhar Azad, C. Abdul Kalam Azad, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Yes, children, the correct answer is D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He united all the princely states in Indian Union. Therefore, he was called as a Iron Man of India. And even he worked as a first Home Minister of India. India's first tribal movement is A. Alagali Bedas movement, Santalas tribal movement, Munda's tribal movement, Bhagatpur's tribal movement. Yes, children, the correct answer is B. Santalas tribal movement. Santalas revolted against the British Zamindari system from Odisha and Bengal. The last Governor General of British India was A. Warren Hastings, B. Lord Mountbatten, C. Lord Cornwallis, D. Robert Clive. Yes, children, the correct answer is B. Lord Mountbatten. Even he continued as a Governor General of independent India also for a few months. So Warren Hastings was the first British Governor General, whereas Lord Mountbatten was the last British Governor General. Vimukti Divas was celebrated by A. Muslim League, B. Indian National Congress, C. Swaraj Party, it's D. Forward Bloc Party. Yes, children, the correct answer is Muslim League. When British declared that India will support them in the Second World War, Indian National Congress gave resignations to all regional governments. So that day was celebrated as a Vimukti Divas by Muslim League because it was not happy when the government formed by Congress. They were happy when Congress gave resignations to regional governments. The leader who was born on 2nd October 1869 was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Mahatma Gandhi, it's D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Yes, children, the correct answer is C. Mahatma Gandhiji. Born on 2nd October 1869. His birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti and national festival on 2nd October every year. The political guru of Gandhiji was A. Motilal Nehru, B. Chittaranjan Das, C. Gopalakrishna Gokhale, and D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Yes, children, the correct answer is C. Gopalakrishna Gokhale. He was a political guru of Gandhiji. When Gandhiji came to India from South Africa, he asked Gandhiji to go tour of India in third class compartment of railway to understand the problems and situation of Indians. On his advice, he toured, then he started to protest against the British. Rabindranath Tagore returned his knighthood during A. Quit India movement, B. Non-cooperation movement, C. Salt Satyagraha, D. Civil disobedience movement. Yes, children, the correct answer is B. Non-cooperation movement. So to show non-cooperation to the British, Rabindranath Tagore returned knighthood, which was confirmed by the British to him because he won the Nobel Prize for his Gitanjali work. Swaraj Party was founded by A. Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das, B. Jawaharlal Nehru and Gandhiji, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Gokhale, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and M.G. Ranade. Yes, children, the correct answer is Motilal Nehru and Chittaranjan Das. C.R. Das means Chittaranjan Das. I've already told you that they established the Swaraj Party in 1923. The leader who killed in police lathi charge while protest against Simon Commission is A. Lala Lajpat Rai, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. M.G. Ranade, D. Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Yes, children, the correct answer is A. Lala Lajpat Rai. I've already told you that Simon Commission consists of all British members or English members. Therefore, Indian protested against that. When Indians started slogan, Simon go back, and started to show the flag and burn the effigy of Simon, so they got angry, ordered lathi charge. In such one lathi charge at Lahore, Lala Lajpat Rai was killed. The Pune Pact was entered to fight against A. Poverty, B. Unemployment, C. Untouchability, D. Illiteracy. Yes, children, the correct answer is C. Untouchability. So during the roundtable conference, there was difference of opinion between the Gandhiji and Ambedkar. So when Ambedkar came back after the third roundtable conference, Gandhiji and Ambedkar entered Pune Pact. As per this Pune Pact, Gandhiji decided to tour the India and request the upper class people to respect the untouchables. As a part of this pact, he started a newspaper called Harijana and even Harijan, and even he started a call untouchables as Harijanas. The leader who gave call to the fellow Indians to do or die was Motilal Nehru, A, B, Mahatma Gandhiji, C, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, it's D, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Yes, children, the correct answer is B, Mahatma Gandhiji. So during the Quit India movement, he called the people do or die for the freedom, for the country. The socialist who brought out a document titled The Freedom Struggle Front was A. Jayaprakash Narayan, B. Mahatma Gandhiji, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Yes, children, the correct answer is A. Jayaprakash Narayan. So even he led the Quit India movement when Gandhiji and other leaders were arrested and kept in the jail. Subhash Chandra Bose founded A. Communist Party, B. Congress Party, C. Forward Bloc Party, D. Swaraj Party. Yes, children, the correct answer is C. Forward Bloc Party was founded by Subhash Chandra Bose. Give me your blood, I will get you Indian independence is stated by A. Jayaprakash Narayan, B. Mahatma Gandhiji, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes, children, the correct answer is D. Subhash Chandra Bose. He asked the people, Delhi chalo and give me blood, I will give you freedom. And even he founded INA also. The periodical Mukanayaka was published by A. Jayaprakash Narayan, B. Mahatma Gandhiji, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Yes, children, the correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He started Mukanayaka newspaper for the upliftment of untouchables. Mixed economy was adopted in India by A. Jayaprakash Narayan, B. Mahatma Gandhiji, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, it's D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Yes, children, the correct answer is C. Jawaharlal Nehru. So being a first Prime Minister of India, he adopted mixed economy to achieve economic development of India. Thank you, children. For more videos, subscribe to this channel. If you have missed the previous chapter, the link is given in the description box. So you can click on them and can watch the videos. Thank you.